Hello friends, my name is Akil and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video we learned about the directives in Angular. In this video we will learn the different types of built-in directives that are used in Angular. So basically there are three built-in directives that are used in Angular, in which the first one is the components. The components are used with the template to make our UI, and our logical data is inside the TypeScript file of our component. We have discussed about the components in detail in our previous videos. You can check that videos. The second type of directives that is used in Angular is structural directives. The structural directives are used to manipulate the DOM or the document object model by adding and removing elements from the DOM. Like if we have a paragraph tag and we want to remove that paragraph tag based on a condition, like when the user clicks a button, then we can do that by using the structural directives. So let's jump into the VS Code, and here we will create a paragraph tag, and inside here we can say any text, or like I will display only if display property is set to true. Now we will have to declare the display property inside our TypeScript file, and this will be of type boolean and is equal to false. Initially it's false, and we will use the ngIf directives, which is one type of structural directives that is used to hide or display something, or remove or adding something in our DOM. Like here if we say the display here, it will check whether the condition is true or false. If the condition is true, the text inside the paragraph tag will be shown into the browser. If the condition is not true, then the text will not be shown into the browser. So let's go to the terminal and serve the Angular application, and let's check what the output is. Here, as you can see, there is no paragraph tag inside our browser. So if we turn it to not display, it means that we want to display the paragraph tag and its content. So as you can see, our content is shown into the browser as the condition is now set to true because of the not operator. Now the other types of structural directives are ng-for and ng-switch. We will discuss about the ng-for and ng-if directive, and also the ng-for directive in our upcoming videos. But here in this video I just told you about the structural directives one type, which is ngIf directive. Now the third type of the built-in directives used in Angular is the attribute directives. The attribute directives are used to change the appearance of our UI. Like if we want to change the color or background color of our elements based on condition, or like we want to change the color of a paragraph tag by using the directives, then we can do that by using the attribute directives. Like here we will use the ng class directive, and inside here, inside the double quotes, we will use the single quotes, and inside here we will add the class that we want to use inside our component. Like here we can say box, and here we can set the text to anything like hello world. And if we want to change the color of the hello world to blue, then we will have to copy this, and inside here we will use this class and set its color to blue. Now let's go to the browser. So the element is not being rendered. Let's go to the console, reading the ad. I think it will be like we will have to put it inside this square bracket, and here we will have to put it inside this. So here, as you can see, the hello world is turned to blue. Now we use the attribute directive to change the appearance of our UI. We use the structural directives to hide or show the elements inside our DOM. Like if we go to the console here inside our browser and check here, if we, as you can see, the element and the paragraph tag is shown here in the browser. Now if we set the condition to false, now let's go to the browser. As you can see, I think so there is no any paragraph tag which was there inside our component, but the paragraph tag is not inside the DOM. Like we removed the paragraph tag from our DOM by using the structural directive. So this was a little bit about the types of structure of the directives in our Angular application. In the next video, we will learn about the types that are used in the structural directives. Thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for more lectures like this one.